So I'm just gonna kind of show you the area. I'm gonna take off this little bit of hair here,
okay,
just because you have a spot that goes all the way down to here,
yes,
right? So we're gonna kind of go in with this whole piece. So I'm just outlining the area where we have no hair. This is just gonna give me the exact size of the piece that I need. And I'm just gonna put a front and a back so we know what where it is. So this just gets a general idea of where the crown would sit and kind of where I'm gonna use that. So as you can see, I'm going around the template. So I'm gonna go in and we're gonna trim out the actual piece. I like to go in with a small pair of scissors and really make sure you're keeping that bottom blade flush so you're not cutting any hairs. The line is essentially gonna be bigger, so you wanna actually cut on the inside of the line. And if I go to the outside, it's gonna be too big. So that you can have your pieces, and you're just gonna line it up right to the edge and take off your backing. So this actually adds like a nice little barrier, which is really good. It dries very quickly, okay, and then he's good to go. And now I'm just gonna I'm gonna get him to look forward. I'm gonna line up straight to the edge and literally just kind of push it down. Make sure you're using consistently, especially a leave-in conditioner.
Oh, okay.
That's gonna make it a lot, keep the actual softness of the hair.
Okay.
Because you have no natural oils going through it, right? Yes. You might want to, just like a hairspray, something to kind of keep that hair in position. And it's a nice system because it's still slightly see-through, so it blends with the texture and density of your own hair, which is like, makes it a little bit less synthetic looking, right?